up, I'm Ara and welcome back to my channel. So if you are a student and you're preparing for any exam like competitive exams, NEET, JEE or your board exams or just any other college entrance exam, you should definitely watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to recommend you a book which is going to completely change your life and the way you prepare for these exams. And trust me when I say this, that you're going to see an increase of almost 50 to 60% in your efficiency rate after reading this book and also in your results. So yes, सबसे बड़ी परेशानी स्टूडेंट लाइफ में यही होती है कि पढ़ाई तो की थी मैंने, मेहनत तो की थी मैंने, बट मार्क्स नहीं आए अच्छे. So, it's not just about how much time you are giving for the preparation of any exam. It is about how you are giving that time. And that is what this magical book has taught me, which is Topper's Study Hacks by Avinash Agrawal. Now, the picture might be inverted, but I'll attach a clip for you to see it properly. You might be preparing for any exam in the world. This is the book which is definitely going to help you, and I think it is one of its kind. I've never seen a book talking so openly about, preparations and exams on this level. So I'm calling this book magical because it really is, and I'll talk about the book in detail. But before that, a big shout out to Disha Publications for sending me this lovely copy of the book. So before coming to the book, I'll just give you a little brief on the author. So Avinash Agrawal is actually connected to the academic field only. He is a counselor in the field of academic and life skills, which is really good for the book as well, because the whole book is actually a reflection of what Avinash Agrawal has been doing since the past 15 years. So he has been interviewing and interacting with the toppers from across fields and across subjects throughout the country. So it actually gives him a very good insight on how a student can become a topper just with the help of a little guidance and towards how he is preparing for the exam. Now you might also think that why should you read this book at all when you can dedicate the same amount of time in preparing for that exam, preparing for your exam. But let me tell you that it is not just about preparing for any exam, because that we have been doing since ages. We study for any exam and we go and give the entrance or we go and give the exam, but we are not very well satisfied with our results. So that is what this book tells you, that what are the proper techniques and ways in which you can prepare, which will definitely bring a vast amount of change in your results in a very short span of time. So I will definitely urge you to spend just 2 hours on this book so that you can spend the rest of the hours in properly preparing for your exam. This book is just a 250-page read, but you don't even have to read it in full. It is very student friendly because it is divided into different phases actually, and which you can read according to your phase. Like for example, if your exam is 1 year from now, you have to read this book in a different way. If your exam is 6 months from now, your phase is different. If your exam is just in 1 month, you're preparing for an entrance of a college or something and the exam is just 1 month away, then you have to read this book from the perspective of that 1 month, and it will also teach you how you can spend your time in this, how to be more concentrated, because we tend to lose our concentration very easily. So how you can become more and more concentrated towards your studies, and how you can actually set goals for yourself and get a better result. The best part about the book is that it is not just from one person's perspective. Like Avinash Agrawal has written this book, but it is from the perspective of those hundreds of students that he has interviewed, and it is their first-hand experience that has been mentioned in the book, like how they prepared and how they managed their time and everything. It is really great to read all of that, because it is not just telling you how you should prepare for your exam, but also motivates you to a very large extent. It is also full of the life experiences and the hard work put in by many popular personalities and the popular companies like McDonald's and KFC and everything. So it is very fun to read all of that and know all of that. Like I finished reading this book in one go, and at the end of the book, like when I completed the book, I was feeling so motivated that come on now, any exam which comes ahead of me now, I can literally kill it. But then I realized that I don't have any exams in the near future. I'm not just telling you that this book will definitely fetch you good marks, because that is based on your hard work, but let me tell you that this book will teach you how to put in that hard work in a proper way, and how you can actually become more and more efficient with this. So I personally feel that I should have come across this book while I was in my 12th and was preparing for my college entrance exams. But nevertheless, if you are in such a state and if you are preparing for any exams, do give this book a read, because it will definitely change the way you are preparing for your exam and will give you a better result. This is not just based on theory and everything, it definitely gives you a very practical knowledge as well, because it is full of images and graphs and diagrams and charts and everything. So it actually is very helpful and very student friendly as well. Also, the writing style of the book is in a way which feels as if the author is directly talking to you. So that is really nice, because it gives a very personalized feeling. So if you want to go for this book, I have mentioned a link in the description box. You can go and purchase it from there. So yeah, that was it for this video, and if you wish to get connected with me, you can do so through Instagram or through Gmail. I will leave the links in the description box below, so you can go and check them out, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Till then, keep reading, keep loving.